Peering into the cosmic past, the James Webb Space Telescope and a new age of discovery. In the summer of 2022, humanity's view of the universe changed forever. After decades of planning, engineering, and anticipation, the James Webb Space Telescope began transmitting its first breathtaking images back to Earth. These were not merely sharper pictures of distant stars and galaxies, they were glimpses into the earliest chapters of cosmic history. For scientists and the public alike, the telescope represents a profound leap in our ability to understand where we come from and what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which primarily observes in visible and ultraviolet light, the James Webb Space Telescope is designed to detect infrared radiation. This distinction is crucial. As the universe expands, light from distant galaxies is stretched, shifting toward longer, redder wavelengths, a phenomenon known as redshift. By observing in the infrared spectrum, the James Webb Space Telescope can peer further back in time than any telescope before it, capturing light emitted more than 13 billion years ago, not long after the Big Bang. At the heart of the James Webb Space Telescope lies an engineering marvel, a 6.5-meter primary mirror composed of 18 hexagonal segments coated in gold. This mirror, far larger than Hubble's, allows the telescope to collect significantly more light, making it possible to detect extremely faint and distant objects. Equally impressive is its sunshield, a 5-layer structure roughly the size of a tennis court. This shield protects the telescope from heat and light emitted by the Sun, Earth, and Moon, ensuring that its sensitive instruments remain at the frigid temperatures required for infrared observation. Positioned about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth at a location known as the Second Lagrange Point, L2, the James Webb Space Telescope operates in a delicate gravitational balance between the Earth and the Sun. This remote orbit provides a stable environment, free from the thermal fluctuations and light pollution that would otherwise interfere with its mission. However, it also means that the telescope cannot be serviced by astronauts, making its successful deployment all the more remarkable. Since its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope has already delivered extraordinary scientific results. One of its most celebrated achievements is the observation of some of the earliest galaxies ever formed. These galaxies appear surprisingly mature, challenging existing theories about how quickly structures in the universe can develop. In addition, the telescope has begun to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. By studying the chemical composition of these atmospheres, scientists hope to identify potential signs of life, such as water vapor, methane, or oxygen. Perhaps one of the most iconic images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope is the deep field view known as Webb's first deep field. At first glance, it appears to be a dazzling tapestry of galaxies, each one containing billions of stars. Yet what makes this image truly extraordinary is its depth. It reveals galaxies so distant that their light has taken billions of years to reach us. In essence, we are looking back in time, witnessing the universe as it was in its infancy. The implications of the James Webb Space Telescope's discoveries extend far beyond astronomy. They touch on fundamental questions about existence itself. How did the first stars ignite? How did galaxies assemble into the vast cosmic web we observe today? And perhaps most intriguingly, are we alone in the universe? While the telescope may not provide immediate answers to all these questions, it brings us closer than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope is not merely a scientific instrument, it is a symbol of human curiosity and collaboration. Developed through a partnership between NASA, European Space Agency, and Canadian Space Agency, the project demonstrates what can be achieved when nations work together toward a common goal. It is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge transcends borders and that our desire to explore the unknown is a defining feature of our species. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues its mission in the coming years, we can expect a steady stream of discoveries that will reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Each new image, each new dataset, will offer fresh insights into the nature of reality itself. And as we gaze upon these distant worlds and ancient galaxies, we may find ourselves asking not only what is out there, but also what it means to be here. The James Webb Space Telescope does more than expand our scientific knowledge, it expands our imagination. It invites us to look up at the night sky with renewed wonder, knowing that somewhere, in the vast darkness, The secrets of the universe are slowly being revealed.